A blow-by-blow account is a descriptive narrative or detailed chronicle of an event, situation, or sequence of actions presented in a step-by-step manner. This expression is often used to describe a thorough and comprehensive recounting of events, typically in real time or with meticulous attention to detail. The term blow-by-blow originates from boxing, where it was initially used to describe a detailed description of each punch or strike exchanged between two fighters during a match. Over time, its usage has expanded beyond the realm of sports to encompass various aspects of storytelling and reporting. A blow-by-blow account aims to provide readers, listeners, or viewers with an immersive and comprehensive understanding of an event as it unfolds or as it occurred. This type of reporting or narration is characterized by its meticulousness and thoroughness, as it strives to capture every significant detail, action, or development. In journalism, a blow-by-blow account is often used to report on live events, such as sports competitions, political debates, court trials, or breaking news situations. Reporters or commentators provide a minute-by-minute, or even second-by-second, description of what is happening, allowing the audience to follow the events as if they were present. This type of reporting can be particularly valuable for conveying the intensity and excitement of unfolding events, making the audience feel like they are experiencing the situation firsthand. In historical or non-fiction literature, authors may employ a blow-by-blow account to reconstruct and narrate past events with precision and detail. This approach can be used to bring historical events, battles, or pivotal moments to life, offering readers a vivid and immersive experience. By presenting events in a chronological and detailed manner, authors can provide deeper insights into the motivations, actions, and consequences of those involved. A blow-by-blow account is also relevant in personal storytelling and recounting experiences. When someone shares a blow-by-blow account of a personal journey or adventure, they are essentially providing a step-by-step description of their experiences, challenges, and emotions as they navigated through a particular situation or adventure. This narrative style allows the audience to connect with the storyteller on a deeper level and gain a better understanding of the events from the storyteller's perspective. In the age of digital media, live blogs and real-time social media updates often serve as modern examples of blow-by-blow accounts. These platforms enable individuals and organizations to provide immediate, detailed, and continuous coverage of events, from sports games to breaking news stories. Audiences can follow the unfolding events in real time, receiving updates and insights as they happen. In conclusion, a blow-by-blow account is a narrative or description of events that offers a meticulous and step-by-step portrayal of an event, situation, or sequence of actions. It is a storytelling technique that strives to capture every significant detail, action, or development to provide a thorough and immersive understanding of the subject matter. Whether in journalism, historical literature, or personal storytelling, a blow-by-blow account allows audiences to engage with and experience events in a detailed and comprehensive manner.